Welcome to another show of, just another show of a cooking show with Sam. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a most delicious meal. A delicious meal that you will love from the bottom of your heart. The delicious meal that will make you go, wow. So before I get the magical ingredients out, I'm going to just explain a few simple rules. Rule 1, wear a pinny. You may be asking why you wear a pinny. Well, if you have any spillages, or if you need to wipe your hands, the pinny comes in handy. Rule 2, be careful not to burn your hands. Yes, you know what happens when you burn your hands. You get bad fingers. So, without ado, let's begin. Today, girls and boys, or maybe just that one listener, I'm going to show you how to cook salmon with mashed potato. This was a magical meal that was cooked by a beautiful lady who lives many miles away. Her name's Letitia Conrad. Many of you may know her as Irish Ginger. To me, she's Letitia. So Letitia, tonight I'm going to cook it my way. Unfortunately, not yours. First, ladies and gentlemen, you need the special ingredients. Today, I have been salmon fishing. I have fished the biggest lakes in the whole wide world. And I have travelled many miles to catch this magical salmon. So tonight, the magical salmon is... Ta-ta-ta! We've been to the Scottish Islands to catch some Scottish salmon fillets. Don't ask me how they got into the packaging, because believe me, I don't even know as well. To cook these magical salmon fillets, you will need one frying pan. Yes, your frying pan is here. You may be wondering what this is on my head. This is just precautions, just in case the head chefs hit you around the head. So, let's get started. When we're cooking, we need to begin by turning the hob on. Right, the hob. How on earth do you turn this on? Holy shit. Hello, can somebody help me? We need help. I'm sorry to say, I think the cooking lesson's going to down the pan. Down the pan, do you get it? Ha ha ha, stand up. Before we can cook it, one's got to learn how to turn this hob on. And believe me, it's a very hard 1, 2, 3, hello. We'll just go to the commercial break while I turn this hob on.